Welcome to JAcademy. In this video I'll show you how to install Matplotlib in Pycharm. So actually Matplotlib is used for making different type of plots. Okay, so this is my Pycharm interface IDE and I'm going to check out whether the Matplotlib is installed or not. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to first import matplotlib.py plot as PLT and I'm going to run it. So if the running is successful, that means that the library is installed. So here when running you can see that it is showing that the module not found error. So no module is there. So now we will learn how to install this Matplotlib in the Pycharm IDE. So what you need to do is that you can see below that there is a Python console and a terminal. So click on the terminal and then once you get your prompt, just write pip install matplotlib and you need to wait for a couple of seconds to a minute depending on the speed of your internet, and you can see it is getting installed. And once it gets installed with all the dependencies, we'll try to plot a simple line, okay, using a matplotlib. So it is getting installed. So here my installation is complete, you can see. So it has installed everything that is required, and then we are going to minimize this, and now let us see, we are going to plot a line graph. So we'll import the NumPy as NP, and so in order to plot a graph you require the value of x and y. So we'll take the value of x. So we are going to use the NumPy for that. So linspace, so 0 to 5 and require 11 now values. And for y we are going to take, let it be double of x. So y equal to x into 2, and then we will use plt dot plot x comma y, and we want that line to be in red, so it looks very good. And then we will use plt dot show, and we're going to run it, and if it runs successfully it means that the installation is already done. Let us see this. So there you can see a very nice line graph, and there is a xy axis, this is the x axis, this is the y axis, and I have not given the label, and you can also save the figure. So this is how you can install your Matplotlib in Pycharm IDE. So guys, if you have not installed it, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, and please share this video with your friends so that it will be very helpful, because you know that sharing is caring. And please give your comment, okay, about this video. Thank you very much.